Hi everyone, my name is K. Nikhil Chaudhary from Cybertech team. Today I am going to discuss about Android hacking. Today I am going to show you how to hack any Android phones or any Android devices. So guys, let's get into the topic. So I'm here using a Kali virtual machine right now, which is latestly released as 2020 0.3. Guys, now I'm using a software called ngrok and Metasploit and Metasploit framework Venom consoles. These are the three software which I'm using right now. So guys, I have a phone which contains the Android 9 software right now. So I'm going to show you how can you hack any Android device right now. So guys, let's getting into the topic. I'm using the ngrok here. So in my downloads, I got the ngrok here, guys. And I'm using a protocol known as transmission control protocol, and I'm giving the port number as 1234. So it's a to be to be precise, guys, ngrok is used for tunneling. So I'm using ngrok here because I don't want to be caught by any other people. So guys, right now I'm here using an msf venom, which is used to create payloads. I'm going to use the platform. Which platform I am going to use is Android is the platform. Android, and I'm going to use Meterpreter, and I'm going to use reverse TCP protocol. Means nothing but reverse transmission control protocol, guys. And now I'm going to set the lhost. Lhost is nothing but the address which I have given here, 0.tcp.ngrok.io, which is the lhost for us right now. Now I'm going to select the L port. Guys, if you are confusing with the lhost and L port, they are nothing but listeners host and listeners port. Means attackers IP and attackers port, which we are going to get the data from the port. The port which I am going to use here is 19995, guys, because I'm using the ngrok for tunneling, so I need to get the data from it. So I'm using its port. Now I'm going to create a file there, guys. File name I'm going to give as antivirus 3 because I have already created antiviruses 1 and 2 before only. So I'm going to use antivirus 3 or anti.apk. I'm going to give a name as anti.apk. Now let's let the payload be going on, guys. Now I'm going to use MSF console. Before starting the MSF console, I need to start an Apache server. For that we need super user permission, guys. Apache 2, which I have installed in my system right now, so I'm using it. So guys, I have already started the service Apache right now. Now I'm going to start a database which I need. When the information from the victim gets to me, I need to store it in a database. So I'm using a database called PostgreSQL. Guys, now I'm going to start a MSF console here. Let's see, guys, whether we have created the payload or not. To confirm the payload, guys, here I'm using the home here, which is nothing but my file manager. So I'm going down and I got the anti.apk, which I have created a payload right now. So guys, as I told you before, I'm using an Android 9 phone, so I'm going to show you how to hack Android 9. But if you try this, you can also get any Android versions, guys. But be careful, this is only for educational purpose, guys. No misuse is occurred, because if you have misused according to the cyber law 66C, you will be getting up to the fine of 10 lakhs and nearly 6 years of imprisonment for hacking any other mobile phones. So be sure to know that point, guys. So never try to hack any unknown person's mobiles. If you want to gain knowledge on the try on your own devices or try on your friends devices, but never try on anyone who you doesn't know, guys. So be careful with it. So now I'm going to use multi-handler, guys. Multi-handler, if you are wondering what is multi-handler, which is used for hearing, means listening, guys. listening ports and which are used for multi-handling and listening, and everything is possible by multi-handler only. So now I'm setting a payload, guys, which I have given the properties before. The properties are Android, interpreter, and reverse TCP. Now guys, I'm going to show you the options which I need to enter before starting the exploitation program. Guys, I think the command which is gone, but we need to set the lhost and lport for this one, guys. Lhost is nothing but our machine's IP address, which is normally same for every machine. Now I'm going to set the lport which I have given before for the local host. Local host is nothing but our local IP address, guys. For the lport which I have given in the ngrok is 1234, so I'm giving it right now. So guys, as you can see, I have already given and set everything, so I'm simply going to exploit it right now. As you can see, the exploitation has been started. So what now I want to do is I simply want to share the payload with who I want to share. Once if they install the payload, means once if they open the application and install the application, there is nothing they can do. The complete device will be in your hands. Now guys, let me show you. I'm going to use a hack. I'm going to send from the virus, means the payload which I've created. As you guys can see, I have sent the payload. So guys, I am going to the phone right now and I am opening the payload. For your confirmation, I'm going to, when the app is installed, guys, you can see the session there. Where is it? Yeah, I got it. Guys, we have got the session here, so I'm going to give you about the information of about my device. Guys, as you can see, the device which I'm using is now Android 9, which contains the Linux kernel issues of Linux ARC64 and 4.14.94 plus version. It's the completed localhost right now. So guys, this is the way how can you hack. And if you want more commands, guys, simply press question mark here and press enter. You can get so many commands, guys. Here you can use them to hack the Android webcam, and you can take the screenshot, or you can share your screen with the victim's phone, or you can also use some file transfer protocols which are used here, such as download, dir, mkdir. We can use these commands to change the files and delete the files and get the files from the androids. And you can also get you can also record voice in on his mic, and you can also record web chat, and you can also get web list and webcams, and you can also get the camera, which he means you can also hack his camera. You can see what his camera is seeing, and you can also play some audio files on his device, and you can also check what are the activities he are doing, and you can also get the call logs, and you can also get the contact list, and you can also get the SMSs. And one more thing, guys, you can also find his personal location right there when we use geolocate command here. And there are so many commands, guys. If you want to try this hack, and it's definitely worth it, and it also works very well. But be sure, guys, never use it on any other persons. If you want to test it, you can use your own on your own devices, guys. This hack is used for every Android version and every Android versions and every Android devices. So thank you, guys. I hope you have a great day. Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.